how to make a photo collage in Facebook story. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the Facebook application. After opening the application, you see an option here called Create Story. You need to click on this. From here, you'll see this option which says Collage. You need to click on it. And let me tell you, in a collage, you have to add multiple images. You can't add just one image there. So from here, I'll select a few images. I'll select this image, then this one, and this one. After that, you can select as many images as you want according to your preference, and then click on Next. Now, as you can see, all the multiple images we selected have appeared here, have been selected. From here, you can increase or decrease the size of any image or adjust it as you like. After that, you need to click on Share. As soon as you click on Share, you see that your story starts uploading, and after a short while, you will see that your story has been shared and your Facebook collage story is now live. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications.